So here, uh, okay, so what is it for actually, right?
Mhm.
Last time we've managed to use NumPy,
Yeah.
and we can also utilize some function from NumPy to get the mean, uh, uh, standard deviation, and other
Mhm.
statistical thingy, right?
Yeah.
And it's also apply here. Yeah, what's special about Pandas is that it help you to manage the data uh, table wise. Okay, so what does it mean?
Nggak tahu.
Let's review a little bit.
Okay.
NumPy, SMP, import pandas SPD. Okay, so they import pandas usually as PD. Most of the data scientists
Okay.
did that, right? Do you remember how to make a random number using NumPy
Uh,
array?
NumPy, wait, np.randint, yeah. Oh, mistaken.
Rand,
Uh,
random,
s-
rand int, right?
or rand range or randint.
Yeah. Or
Random.randint. Mistaken. Yeah.
make 10 number. This is between 1 until 10, right? So if
That.
we run this repeatedly, it will generate random number differently.
Mhm.
Okay, and to make 10 number as an array, pass
Mhm.
another parameters there, right? So this is the random number that we got. We're gonna save that to my number, and print out the my number. What if you want to make two-dimensional array?
Mm, comma size.
Or you can just customize this as the size, right?
Ah,
Okay, 10 by 10. Gonna make it simple. I'm just gonna make it as 5 by 5. So this is our number. Do you remember
mhm.
how to um, summarize, not summarize, how to sum each row?
Mm, think I forgot.
Number, cut,
Um,
sum.
Sum.
Yeah, or np dot sum my number.
Mm.
Okay, so this function take the entire number and sum it up, right?
Mhm.
But we want it to only make a sum of each row, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Based on manual calculation, what is the sum of the last row?
Mm,
10,
that's
22, eh?
yeah, 22.
22, right? Okay. We just need to pass another parameter. X is equal to. Okay. So which axis? So we have two, yeah? We have two
Mm-hmm.
axes, 0 and 1. 0, yeah. 0 mean the first axis, which is a row,
Yeah.
yeah. And second one is the 1
Y-axis.
means second axis, which is y-axis. Okay. In this case, which one do we use?
The mm, row for the X and Y, I think. Wait, no, just the X.
0 or y?
So
0 or
X.
1?
0.
20. I think this one 20, yeah.
Oh,
Okay, 5.
oh, oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, my bad. Yeah,
So
1.
1.
I forgot X,
Okay.
Y.
So 1 means second axis, yeah, which in this case is column.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And yeah, we oh yeah, confusing.
Mm-hmm.
Nah, so we were able to count the sum of this, right? We were able to calculate this number. Okay. And how about this number? Yeah, we've done that
Mm-hmm.
earlier, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So np dot sum my number axis is to 0. All right. So that's how it works.
Mm-hmm.
And I think this also gonna work here. But let's see. I never tried it using this one. Axis 1. Yes, it is. Yeah, same result. All right, because this function is part of the numpy, so that's why it worked the
Mm-hmm.
same. Okay. Now, so let's do the pandas. So what's special about pandas is everything here is all about the number, right? So we never
Mm-hmm.
know, for example, what is being measured on the first column here. Yeah, so if you have the data, let's say here you go.
Mm-hmm.
Now let's say data CSV pandas. Let's see what's make it so special. This one. So they have the entire column with title. All right, the first
Mm-hmm.
column is the cell, list, living room, bed, and etc. All right, so on. And also this one, yeah. So we might be get familiar with this to utilize the pandas. Okay. Let's try. Let's find another data. Let's find one data. Oh yeah, and we've also managed to um, work with CSV data earlier, right? But it
Yes.
still look like this. It still look kind of messy, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And from pandas, you can see it easier. Mm, let's see international football result. Yeah, this one seems promising. Oh, okay. Oh, wait. I have to. Yeah, result lah ya. The result. Okay. Let's see. I will upload that data here. Okay. To use the data, to read the data, we use this pandas dot read csv file name. Okay, so you can see the entire
Mm-hmm.
data like this. All right,
Yeah.
and I want you to try to download random data from Kaggle. Yeah, kaggle.com. This is resourceful website to find that useful data. And after that, insert using Pandas in your Google Colab. Okay, questions so far?
Okay. No.
Okay, go on.
Wait. Mm,
Dataset.
oh, yes. Wasn't a lot. I think you can.
Uh,
How big is the file size?
my
Uh,
file size is
There's
one
no Panda.
megabyte. You can
Is it?
you can
Oh, there's
download that.
Pandas with an S.
Pandas.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, that's okay. You can use that.
Mm. Can? Extract. Mm. Do I need to put the file here?
Yeah,
All right.
put the file there.
Mm.
Yeah, I think that will do. Nah, okay. So, uh, this is quite useful, right? Because as you
Mhm.
can see, we can manage thousands of data at once.
Yeah.
You might be also familiar to manage this kind of data using Excel, right? But uh, Excel does have limitation. Okay,
Yeah.
so when you have tons of data, that will be hard to manage, and this one is quite easier from my perspective. Okay,
Mhm.
so let's get started again. You can stop share.
First term.
So if we don't have the data yet, how do we create this, right? How do we create this table? So we call this table as data frame, yeah? Yeah, remember, in NumPy, we have array, right? In Pandas, yeah, we have data frame. We don't call it table, we call it data frame, okay?
Okay.
So I'm gonna name this to data frame 1 equals to this. So whenever I call the data frame 1, it will print out the entire result of data frame 1. So yeah, see, I have 45,000 data here, and it's still considered small, yeah.
Yeah.
um, it considered big when it's past millions number, okay. And what if you want only to take 5 first data? So data frame 1 dot head. Okay, what do you call it if you call the function after the data?
Oh, what's it called? I forget it.
It start with M.
Is it module? I don't know. Yeah, I think I forgot already.
Method, yeah.
Method.
Yeah. So I think this is the material from OOP, Object Oriented Programming. So data frame had, data frame 1 had, it will show you the first 5 on default. But if you want more, I want 7. Just pass number 7. Okay.
Okay.
And also the last data. Alright. But let's see first. Remember, the last data is Nigeria. Nigeria. Okay. So I'm gonna put it back here, and I'm gonna call the last data frame dot tail.
Data frame dot one. No, one dot.
Tail 1. Okay, Nigeria. There you go. Okay, call the last data. And yeah, that's pretty much that I can show you at this rate. All right. And first, what if we don't have the data yet, right? And sometimes it's quite useful to create your own data from your code. All right. So for example, remember what kind of data type that use this sign, this symbol?
List.
No.
Is it? What is it? Dot format. Is that what you mean?
Dictionary.
This is. Oh, yeah.
Okay. So we have this, all right? So let's see. Yeah, let's try this. Student data is equal to name, a bit, and age 25, 24. Okay. Now, let's try
Nggak
this.
tahu. Nggak tahu. Yes.
Okay. And okay. So, I want you to create a lot of this, right? Try head, tail, and create 5 student data, and after that we're gonna do something with it. Okay.
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 Mm.
Make three student.
Hmm?
Make three student data, not five.
Mhm.
Okay. So looking forward to NumPy.
Mhm.
What is the material to create a NumPy array?
np.array.
NP dot array, right? Okay, and then we pass the list, right?
Mm.
Now, and it also apply the same as the data frame. What we're gonna do is just pandas or pd dot data frame. Now with capital D and capital F, the one, and pass the data. Pass the student
Mhm.
one first. Try
Seconds. Mhm.
pd
Ah.
dot data frame is pass an index. Ah, okay. So, um, okay. So we're gonna go back with the student data again. Okay.
Mhm.
Make another dictionary. Yeah. Only consists. Just name it student data. Student data and name. Yeah. Colon. But now instead of put single single data here, we put three names. Yeah, so we use list inside it.
Mhm. Mhm.
So
Let's let this.
yes, list, and inside that list put random names. Okay, and make that as a data frame. Now okay, with this in mind,
Mm.
yeah, what if you only have one data, only add there, what should you do? Yeah,
That's,
let's go back. Yeah, so
okay,
what's missing?
that's the list.
Yes. we need also to pass the list. Okay.
Nope. What?
Oop. Yeah. So it only give you one name there, right?
Yeah.
And okay. So I don't know if we can call this two time. Yeah, student one, comma student two. I don't think that's gonna work, but let's it works, right?
Oh.
Ah, okay. Go on until student five.
mm, mm,
Every not student 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. What if you make those student into list?
mm.
This student no into list.
Which one?
This one.
It's like,
Yeah. No. This one here.
oh,
Yeah.
so we
Yeah.
don't need this then.
They make it like that. Yeah. Okay. So the other way to do this correctly, just make it like this. Yeah. And this is not not effective. Okay.
Okay.
The other way to do that also make it like this.
Mm.
So we have names here and put age. Remember, you need to put the
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, wait.
good. Nice. Okay. Now as you can see this, yeah. This is index, right? Yeah.
Mhm.
So this we call it as column. First column, second column, and this one that has random number here is the index. Okay.
Mhm.
So what we've learned so far, index is only consists of number between 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, right? But here it's also possible to make an index to be, let's say you want to name it student 1, student 2, and a string, right? Student 2, student 3 until student 5. Now, to do that, we have to pass, yeah, while we creating the data frame, we have to pass another parameter, student data, comma, index, okay, equal to, and you pass the list of the index.
Oh, this.
So student 1, student 2, yes, but don't forget to what?
String.
To make, yes. Now, Rian, if you want to make it faster, you can double click here. Double click. Now, it will select the entire the entire word there. Okay. Now, see, this one is now the index, right?
Right.
Nah, okay. So to make it easier, can we save this data frame as data frame with index or indexed data frame? The frame index df lah, index df. Okay, and this one is only df. So we have two separate data frame. Now, okay. No, okay. So we have two columns here. Let's say, yeah, we can use this here. Let's use the index df. I just need the age now, so I don't need the name. So the data frame has been created, but now I only need the age.
Right.
How do you slice data on NumPy? On array
Oh, I
or
forgot.
list?
Which one is it?
Okay, you can see the latest project or something.
Fine. Which one is it?
Slicing data.
Slicing.
Yeah, slicing data is when you want only take the first two number, the first three number, not split. Yeah, slicing is different from split. I think what you refer earlier is
Like
splitting.
this one?
Nah, that one is slicing. Okay, so back here, yeah, back forward with this. If we only want to take the first number,
First
the
number.
first column, let's say the first column. Yeah, you can pass.
Okay. First column
Yeah, let's try first column.
is up.
0. Only put 0. Don't use this. Don't use this. Does it work?
Nope.
Oh, okay. So what if 0 until 1?
It's only the first.
Okay. It took first row, not the first column, right?
So
Nah.
this.
If you want to take the first column, only the first column, let's say I just wanted, no, the second column, I just want to need the age. Nope. Okay, it take it's still slicing the row, not slicing the column. Now, so we pass the name of the column inside this bracket. No.
Like this.
Remove this. Yeah, just pass the name of no. We don't need another bracket.
So age this.
Yeah, but with but pass this as a string. This is variable.
Okay.
The age, right? So it only took this, right? Why
Yeah.
does it still there? Because that's index. Index will
Mm.
be get along with whatever data that you would like to analyze. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Index DFH. Now how about I only need the names? Make a new
See.
cell and I just need the names. Okay, good. I want age and names, but now I just need student 3 until 5.
Mm. Yes. Hope not that.
No. Student 3 until 5. I think you've did it earlier.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, just now. I forgot how I did it though. Yeah.
Oh,
Yes. Oh, so
okay, good
there you
job.
go.
Okay, new cell. Only the student 4. Okay. Okay. So this is it comes to problem, right?
Yeah.
And what if we use
Yes.
another data frame? Yeah. The
Hmm?
original data frame that has the index 0 until 4. Okay. We're going to use the original data frame.
Which one? Yes.
The first one, the first one.
Oh dear.
Yeah, the df. Okay. So just put it on the bottom. Okay. I just need Agus, let's say. I just want the data, all of the data but Agus. Oh, why student 3? The
Yeah.
index is not student 3.
Oh, so just
Yeah, just pass the number of.
hmm? Yeah.
Hmm. Oh, okay. Now, this one doesn't work, so it doesn't refer to index, right?
Mhm.
So if we want to refer to an index, what we need is the f dot index
Yes.
location, yeah, and pass the number of index that you would like to know, 2.
Mm.
So this is the data of Agus. Okay, what if the index is student 1, student 2, and student 3? How could you use this? No? Just make another cell so you can keep that. Okay,
Mm.
remember this is the index, all right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so what is the index of this, of
Which
Agus?
one?
On
August 2.
index df, yeah,
2.
index df,
Hmm? Sorry?
index df.
Oh, next year.
Yeah, so remember when I refer to index, this is the index also, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, nah, so index df dot ilog and pass the index.
Hmm. Sorry?
Index df dot ilog the index.
What do you mean the next? Switch it. Wait. Which one are we looking for? Student 3.
Agus.
So, student 3. Does it have to be string?
Yeah, string. No, it doesn't work. When you want to pass the index that is not an integer, we use lock instead of ilock. Okay, but you can also refer to Agus using ilock and pass the same number, right? Which what you have done earlier. Okay, so let's see, index column title, head, tail, info, data, shape. Nah, all right. So let's go back on your first data from the CSV. Nah. Okay, we have one number here, right? Number data type, an integer data type. So if you want to know the summarize of the entire data frame 1, yeah, we can use this new cell, please. Data frame 1 dot info, open bracket. Yes, so it will give you the entire data and the status of the entire data frame. All right, and here you can analyze this. This is the first column, which is ID. Yeah, this one. And it has 8,200 something null data. Yeah. So if your data consists of empty data or null data, we call null data as empty data, null data, so it will give you different number, which eventually less than this, right? Of course. Yeah, let's say you have this data is not filled yet, so because the name of the data, this is ID.
So yeah, this is the ID.
Oh yeah, the one, the ID. Okay, so the ID here will only return number 8,239 if we miss two data, right, and so on. So it's also important to analyze the data, so we know which data that is empty on or have some error or something. So if we want to know the statistical summary about this, yeah, maybe we can find the sum of all this number, let's say. So new cell, okay, data frame 1 dot describe, open bracket, I think. Yes, run it. Okay, so popularity, because only popularity that has number, right?
Integer, yeah.
Okay, the count of popularity, which is how many number that has been imported there, is 8,000. All right, 8,000 something. The average, standard deviation, the smallest number, the biggest number, and the quartile here. Okay. And yeah, and also if we want to know the shape, you remember from NumPy, you know how to do that, but it's also the same.
Yes.
Yep.
Dot shape.
Okay, they will also apply there. What is the shape of data frame 1? Okay, 1,000 row and 4 column.
columns.
Okay. Okay, now I want you to find the average, the smallest number, the biggest number, the quartiles of student data age.
Um,
Which data frame? Which data frame
hmm?
that consists of student data?
Student data.
Yeah. Okay. From all of the student there, I want you to find the mean, the average, the count, maximum age, minimum age, and so on.
Okay. Describe.
Describe. What is the smallest age?
10.
The maximum,
28.
the average.
18.8.
Okay, good. Stop share. Question again?
No.
Alright, that's all I have
Okay.
for the introduction. Tomorrow we'll continue, and I think that's all for today class. Thank you so much. Have a great day and see you later.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Anytime.